Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be how to style your hoodie women's edition. So as I previously stated in my last video, I went through my closet and I found a few old hoodies, and I'm just going to give you guys some ways to style those hoodies. First up, we have the athleisure look. The hoodie is going to be paired with a nice pair of black sweatpants. Very casual. You can add in your sneakers with this look for a nice run out. Way number 2, I decided to add these biker shorts. I opted in for this black pair that I had in my closet. Very comfortable. Very simple. You can pair this with a nice pair of sneakers as well as the first look. I paired it with my Pumas. Very chic, very casual. Way number 3, I decided to go for a more of a structured pair of shorts. Something nice and casual, but a little bit more put together. So if you don't want to do a baggy pair of shorts, you can opt in for these nice structured pair of shorts. Way number 4, you can add a skirt look to your hoodie with a nice pair of maybe black flats, or sneakers will go well with this look as well. Nice put together look for a day out or working from home. The next way, I decided to add a suit look. If you don't have a nice structured suit, you can add a blazer and a skirt. But instead of adding a pair of heels, I decided to opt out for a nice pair of dressy casual shoes, or a pair of sneakers is always cute with a hoodie look. Next way, of course, you got to add that pair of jeans to your hoodie. Can be paired with a nice pair of sneakers, or you can add a pair of nice booties or wedges for a casual day out. Finally, adding a leather jacket to your hoodie can be very chic and casual. Throw on a nice pair of printed pants. Nice cute little brunch date outfit. And you can add a good pair of booties or wedges to this look. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.